Yay! Hi guys, may nag-aaway po dito. Good morning guys! So it's our 4th day here in Bohol and we're heading to Seabreeze for breakfast. It's currently 7 in the morning today kaya iniwan muna namin si Lucas kasi tulog pa. Date muna kami ni Daddy. Dito sa Henan, dalawa daw yung kung saan ka pwedeng mag-breakfast. Pwede daw sa second floor ng building. And yung isa is dito sa Seabreeze. So pinili namin dito sa Seabreeze para makita yung ocean. Ito yung way papunta ng Seabreeze. Pwede ka pala yung laruan nila kasi para after. Dito po entrance.
Yes, ma'am.
10:31.
10:31. Under De Los Santos.
Yes po.
You're 10 feet underground. When you're so deep, you're about to drown. When you're in the lost and found, 'cause heartaches only last a day. Ooh. But your heart will never fade away. Go out and find your way. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Be you, yeah, only you.
morning coffee. Sleepy pa na. Sleepy pa. After we ate breakfast, dumiretso na kami dito to enjoy the sun and the beach. Dito pala yung sa Zebris. So, ito yung front ng Henan dito sa Alana Beach. So, they have two pools here. Isa dito and dun yung isa sa bandang taas konti. Then, yung pang third pool is yun yung nasa room namin, which is yung direct pool. So, ito yung front view. Ano to? Relax muna si Daddy. Maglalaro lang po tayo. Hindi po tayo maliligo.
Ayan na.
Hi, my love. Lukas? Busy po. Oo naman. Ligo na. Ano nangyari? Sleep na bullet? After mag-play? Baka malagyan yung ano?
May pumalit na
Meron na po pumalit. Yung ano po namin, alaga po namang babae.
Tara na, baka mawala. Nakutlok ko dyan.
Baka may ano ka, kayamanan dyan. Yay! Is that bubble? Wave! Wave! Wow! Wow! Ang ganda ng sand dito. Napaka-pino, may sand, maganda. Hi! Where's Mommy?
Lucas, can you find the coconut tree?
Where's the coconut tree? Where's the coconut? Oh naman, sarap naman yung swimming niya. Swim? Wow, swim! Swim! Picture. One. Go, swim! Swim! Kick! Kick! Come on, swim! Kick! No, kick! Kick! Come on, where is it? Where's the tree? Come on. Where is it? Where is it? Anog-nog na po ako. Come on. Hi, it's currently 10 in the morning. So, andito kami sa naman. Namiss mo si Mami? Aray ko. Pinataas niya yung ano.
Can you find
Itaas mo daw.
Okay. Do I look beautiful?
Beautiful si Mami.
And ano?
Ay, ninang mahal. Hi. Are you enjoying your swimming here in Bohol? Next week is your birthday na. We are here kasi we are celebrating your birthday. Ano pa? Ooh! Come on. Ha! Aha! The parasailing. That's the parasailing. Na.
Ilabog ko?
Ilabog ko?
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh,
Hello guys, we're done na sa beach. And dito naman kami sa pool. Andun yung room namin, doon sa direct pool. Pero andito kami sa side na to kasi dyan, kasi malilim. Doon sa area na kasi namin is medyo maaraw. So dito muna kami while may malilim. Dito sa Henan is ang lalaki ng mga pool or ang luluwag and marami kang choices. Marami kang mapagliliguan. So, meron din sila ditong jacuzzi if you want. I think 3 jacuzzi to or 4. What are you doing, my love? Mommy will go down. The place is so relaxing din. Yeah. At ang sarap ng tubig dito. Ayan na po ang aming bunso. Oh, sweet! Sweet!
Can you show us?
Can you show us the coconut tree? Where is it?
Aha! Isa ka mo dito. Asan yung row?
Okay. Gently down.
when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel.
And this is our room. So malapit lang kami. And this way is yung way pa punta sa beach. Late na kasi kami natapos sa swimming kanina. Actually, parang 11:30 na ata kami umahon. And napagod kaya nakatulog agad si Lucas. So, nagpahinga na rin kami. It's currently 2:40 in the afternoon. And lalunch pa lang kami. So, lalabas pa lang kami sa Alona Beach for lunch. And, so look at my son. Ayan. So, si Lucas, ang itim sa kanya is the buttock and the legs.
It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken.
This is the Molly Resort. Ang Molly Resort and Miss ay isa lang daw yung owner. Kung i-compare ang Molly and Henan, mas pricey ang Henan kaysa kay Molly. Pero isa pa sa difference is sa Henan, katabi yung Alona Beach. Unlike kay Molly, you need to ride a tricycle para makapunta sa Alona Beach.
Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
Hi, good afternoon. So, andito kami sa Mist. And ngayon pa lang kami magla-lunch. It's currently 3:34 in the afternoon. Pero since busog pa naman kami kanina, piniling mag-rest muna before kumain. So, ito yung place. We will... wala yung Pangasinan. Marami kami kababayan dito. May narinig na naman kaming Panggalato. Let's try this one. Crab tacos.
Hi, Steve.
Parang ang hirap pala na kayo. Masarap din siya. Parang medyo spicy lang. Medyo messy lang siya kainin, pero ano lang. Masarap siya. Masarap yung ano niya. Ito. Pag isabay mo sa ano. Try this one na. Let's try the milk tea. Ito try it.
Hi, Steve. I can.
You got eyes like summer sky. If your smart could kill or die. And now it starts to rain, so let's enjoy it. I can't believe that this is
Ito naman medyo. Sarap din naman siya. Hindi lang siya super creamy. Or baka may ina-expect lang ako. Yung parang super creamy.
sweetheart. I'll be by your side when I do. Get to see your mind. I'm a feeling close and now we're apart. It will take a little longer to get you off my mind tonight.
Ano yun nakapag?
You can tell me you're shy. If smart could kill or die, there's no need to rush. If something is meant to be, I really felt for you and I want you to be mine. 'Cause you make me wanna sing, and so I do.
Labot ang chicken.
So if you want, I'll be right there. Anything you want for you, my sweetheart. I'll be by your side.
Let's try that.
Get to see you smile. I'm up in the clouds and now we're apart. It will take a little longer to get you off my mind tonight.
Sarap siya. Creamy mo.
When the sky is cloudy, we just climb right in. You are all I want more than everything. Feels just like I'm flying when I'm here with you.
Ayan si Daddy. And Ito naman. Choose one only, please. That one. The chanelas na lang po. Chanelas.
Siya makapag-design.
Dito, kung gusto nyo mag-rent ng motor, meron po dito sa tapat lang ng Henan. Ayan. Merong motorbike for rent dito. So, this is our hotel. Masipag po yung bossing namin ngayon na maglakad. So, from the gate, unang hotel is yung Henan Tawala. Ito yung Henan Tawala. Oh, ito, Daddy. Oh, where will you go? Oh, slowly lang. Parang slowly. There's a car. Oh, race kayo ni Daddy. Ha? Ang sexy mo naman pala. And this is our hotel. Ito, pag diniretso dyan na yung beachfront. Dito na! Saan ka punta? Wala. Wala na! Binugang mo na kayong birds. Kaya. This is the lobby. Diyan yung waiting area. Dito naman yung aming room. Sa right side, yung elevator. And this is our room.
You will swim? Oo, alam ka na.
You want to swim? Good job. Good job na po.
Change clothes.
Oh, change clothes muna tayo. You're not allowed to go there without any, permission. You should go with, mommy, daddy, or ninang. You're not allowed to go there alone. Come on. Oh, ay!
One, two, three. Let's race on the trace. One, two, three.
Tapos yung may card niya.
Ano pa ba meron? That's Daddy. If you want to buy a cocktail here or beer or any alcohol, yeah, titingin ako. That's Daddy. And that's our room. So, dito kami umorder ng dalawang mojito and dalawang margarita. Get the octopus! Go! Go, catch it! Go! Get it! Yay! nababasa yung ulo mo na. Coconut tree, where?
May ino-offer siya yung ano, mga baso lang.
Come on, can you show coconut tree?
Parang cocktail daw mo. Yung maapoy, basta ano yun eh. Patang-patang, tapos babagsak sa gano'n. Kasi mainit kasi, iinumin mo ng diretso yun. Di ko lang kung yun yung blowjob na tinatawag.
Anong tawag? Ah, wala pa. Wala siyang sinabi ko anong tawag.
Nakalimutan ko itanong eh.
Ito po yung aming...
Describe lang. Ito yung margarita.
Ang pogi po ng aming waitress. Ay, wait. naging babae. Waiter. Ang pogi po ng aming waiter. Naging babae. These are the margarita and mojito. Sing.
Hi! Where's Krabby?
Margarita.
That it's such a good ride. While we collide, it can't be real.
Hi! Where's Krabby?
Yeah, we dancing to the beat. We keep on dancing, keep on loving, keep on making it real. We keep on moving, keep on loving, keep on making it real.
Brum brum. Naging brum. Namuna kayo.
Krabby. Krabby. Where's the star? Where's the star?
Dito nga sa kami.
Do you see the star? I wanna be a tutubi na walang tinatagong bato sa loob ng ito. No. Over. Don't shock. Don't shock. Don't shock. Oh, look at the video. Is that Daddy and Lucas? Look at that. Is that Daddy and Lucas? Hi! Hi! Hey!
Lagi niya inaano yun, akala niya laro lagi.
Hindi to waterproof na.
First one to make the phone,
Get up, no room for hesitation now. It's time to show the way. On and move in all directions. It's time to show the way.
Hi! Hi! Aahon na po kami. Gabi na po. No? Tomorrow again. Tomorrow again po. No? Say hi. Hi! Andito na kami sa Alona Beach. And ayan, may mga pamassage dito. Ito yung itsura ng Alona Beach sa gabi. So, may mga banda, may mga inuman, maraming kainan, and ayan, malapit lang ang sa shore.
For freedom in this land.
This is our last night here in Alona. So, naghahanap kami ng restaurant kung saan kami pwedeng mag-dinner. Meron din mga for tattoo and souvenirs. And mga paihaw or paluto. Oasis Resort. Ba't ganyan ka maglakad na? Yung sand. Picture kami ni Jen. Meron ditong pa sand castle. Bumalik kami dito kay Vivienne sa paluto or paihaw. And let's try here.
Wala pang bakante, kuya?
Wala.
Meron ng bakante.
Meron na. Nagbilang na na yun.
Sige.
Ito, kuya, ano na yan? As in total na yan?
Solo meals po siya, sir.
Solo per head.
Solo meals, yeah. And there are group meals like this.
Okay. Sabi na.
Wala, combo meal pala yan.
Oo. Per head lang. Hindi kami natuloy kay Vivienne. So, tutry namin dito sa pyramid kung ano mga meron ditong food. Dito kami mag-dinner sa Pyramid Beach Resort.
Yung meron ako nakita dito. Itong set A, 1 piece ng pork belly, 2 pieces ng chicken skewer, saka tigda-dalawa sa isang gesto. O yun na lang, ilang rice ang kasama na. O sige.
Nak, kakaligo lang po natin. Hello guys, good evening. So, this is our last night here in Bohol. Dito kami nag-dinner sa Pyramid Beach Resort. And we ordered sinigang, eggs. Ang galing dito, oh. Patingin yung kalamansi. Yung kalamansi nila, in-slice nila din, nilagyan nila ng net para ma-filter, para hindi masama yung buto. Diba? Astig. May sea urchin. May pa-fire dance dito, oh. Are you enjoying? May wave si Kuya. May kapangyarihan si Kuya. Hi! So, pabalik na kami sa hotel. And tapos na kami mag-dinner. Doon pala sa Pyramid kung saan kami nag-dinner. Meron ding resort doon. So, maganda rin yung mga room. Pero yung pool doon is 10 feet. Dito pala kami nag-lunch yesterday. Ayan, sa Hayahai Resort. Okay naman yung mga food dyan yesterday. And this is the Hanan. Ayan, may mga nagmamassage dito. Waki-waki? Ito yung Zebris. So, dyan kami nag-dinner yesterday and breakfast. Babalik na kami sa resort kasi uwi na tayo ng Manila tomorrow. Yeah, in the pool. We will swim in the pool tomorrow.
Swimming.
Yeah, swimming.
Swimming. Ah. Your eye.
Opo, we will swim tomorrow after you eat breakfast. Okay po? You should sleep early tonight so that we can wake up tomorrow early morning so that you can swim. Kasi we will go home na tomorrow. Ano po? Is that okay? Ang babae sa balet. ang babae sa ilalim ng ano.
Wait lang.
May umaaura pa gabi na.
Ang sukulay camera.
Po siya to. Tour guide. Yung bossing po namin, after kumain at mamasyal. Sarap naman ang upo ng bossing namin. Good morning, guys. It's our last day here in Bohol. It's currently 6:36 in the morning and nagising na po ang aming bossing. Ayan. Lipat kami kay Daddy kasi nakaseparate kami ng kama. So, dito kami natutulog ni Lucas. And dito rin natutulog si Daddy kasi may malikot po kaming katabi. Meron din kami katabing naninipa. Yeah. Kaya, nakaseparate si Daddy.
Ayaw niya yung buhok mo.
Yung buhok ko pala.
Pares kami. Ayaw namin ng buhok ni Mami kasi naaway kami.
Magpapakalbo na si Mami, no? Huh? What's that? What's that po? Do you want that? Later, magbe-breakfast na po ulit kami. Swimming again. Na, swimming ka po ulit na? Nog-nog. Mga nog-nog na kami. Puro nog-nog na. But it's alright kasi na-enjoy namin yung pool, yung beach, and na-enjoy namin ang Bohol. See you again later, guys. Hi, good morning. So, we're heading now to Sea. Good morning, we're heading now to Sea Breeze, and kasama na natin sila Ate and Roxanne. And kakain tayo ng breakfast. Then after, swimming again. Walang katapos ang swimming dito. Kaya nog-nog na kami. Sulitin ang araw. Opo naman.
Piste, morning. Pika, oh, pika, oh.
Oh, good naman.
A good time here in the night and love we feel that it's such a good light. What we call life, it can't be real. So we keep on dancing to the beat. Yeah, we keep on moving now we feel. Yeah, we keep on dancing to the beat. And we keep on moving our feet.
Saan ka punta? Careful!
We keep on dancing, keep on loving, keep on making it real. We keep on moving, keep on loving, keep on making it real. Press play, you'll be there in a second. I am here, and I can make you sweat. I'm the song, the beat.
Say bye-bye na to the swimming pool.
We will say bye.
Hi everyone! So, andito kami ngayon sa pool, sa room. Kanina nasa beach kami kaso umambon. Kaya we decided na dito na lang sa pool kasi baka kasi lumakas yung ulan and baka maano pa si Lucas, baka magkasipon or lagnatin later. So, later, ready na rin kami and check out na. Come mommy's hair. Pogi, come on now. Let's go na po. Come mommy's hair. Sa'yo po. Ay, ang galing naman mag-comb ng hair yan. Very good naman yan. Let me see. How about mommy? Ang galing mo naman mag-comb my hair. Not like that. Comb. Go. Like this, oh. I will show you. Like this. Go up and down. Up and down. Go. Come on. Ah. Saka po. Ay, ikaw po. Yan. He's looking in the mirror kasi. Ang pogi naman yan. Okay, Mommy will teach you how to... come on, let's take a picture. Hi, good morning. So, it's currently 11:30 in the morning. And for checkout na kami ni Daddy. Ayun sila ate. On process na yung checkout namin. Ang flight namin is 5:55 in the afternoon pa. After ng checkout, mag-stay muna kami dito or baka sa beach na lang. So, pwede din naman mag-stay doon. And tambay muna. Enjoy the front beach. See you again later.
I have seen that face more than a million times, like a million times. I have seen that baby.
Crab!
Mr. Crab!
Where are you, Mr. Crab?
Turn around now, baby.
Go!
You're special.
Pakawalan na natin.
Something to discover. Think
Where is it?
Tatabo na ito.
But I have
Kahit
seen
tabo
that
na
face more than a million times. Think I know by now that I can be the one. If that is what I want. Your days are long, you had your little fun.
Ba't ayaw mo hawakan?
And now I'll make your dreams come true. If that is what I want to do.
Bye-bye, Crab.
I'm only here for the little fun. Here for my dreams I made up. I'm only here for the little fun. Yeah, I can be the one.
Siyempre, totoo naman yung sinasabi ko.
Hi guys, may nag-aaway po dito. baka may kakilala po kayo, may mga balisong. Pakabigay po dito sa dalawang to.
Dahil sa aircon.
Dahil sa aircon. Yung isa ayaw mag-aircon. Dapat kasi doon ka sa labas na tulog para walang aircon. Ayaw pala mag-aircon.
Hindi, gusto ko naman mag-aircon.
Dapat pala binok kita doon sa wala aircon.
Gusto ko kaso lang, siya kasi, ang ingay, ay ayaw niya magising.
Ano ba?
Tignan mo.
Anyway, guys, andito kami sa labas ng Henan. So, ayan. Yan yung sa lobby, sa swimming pool. And nakapag-check out na kami. It's currently 1:52 in the afternoon. Dito kami nag-lunch sa Hayahay, kung saan kami unang nag-lunch nung first day namin dito sa Alona Beach. Paambon-ambon ngayong araw. Kaninang umaga, nung naliligo kami sa beach, umaambon-ambon, kaya napatakbo kami sa hotel para doon na lang mag-swimming. Then, biglang umaraw. Tapos kanina, umambon na naman. Tapos ngayon, ulit, maaraw. Tapos baka maya-maya, maambon ulit. Pero sana, maging okay na yung panahon pag uuwi na kami. Waiting lang kami dito and tambay muna. Pahinga lang muna kami dito since we're enjoying the view. Ayan, the beach. Masarap panoorin yung alon. Si Daddy, ayun. Kung nakikita nyo, andun siya. Andun siya tulog. So, hinayaan muna namin magpahinga. And yung bossing namin, andito. So, ina-enjoy lang muna niya yung sand. Are you enjoying, Nak? Are you happy with your sand? Say hi!
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 Hello!
Hi na! Ang ganda ng place dito sa sa Henan. Tsaka nakakaganda tong mga mga nyog. Pero mas maganda yung nakaputi, no? Char.
You think you're the coolest, right? A million times, baddest boy
Behave naman ng birthday boy namin. Muni-muni muna siya.
Right now, baby. You're nothing special like the other. Nothing to discover. Just a little fun. 'Cause I have seen my face more than a million.
Bumili pala kami ng mangga. Worth, ito Indian mango. Worth 100 pesos. Noong isang araw, bumili din kami nasa worth 80 pesos. Siguro depende talaga sa mga nagtitinda yung presyo. Nabawasan na namin to, Indian mango. This one is 100 pesos with alamang and asin na may sili. Dito sa area na to, meron silang buy one take one na drinks from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m.
You're nothing special like the other. Nothing to discover. Just a little fun. 'Cause I have seen my face more than a million. By now that I can be the one. If that is what I want. Your days are gone. You have your little fun.
Dito ako dadaan.
I'll make your dreams come true. If that is what I want to do with you.
Dito yung smoking area. So, kung nag-iossi kayo, dito kayo pupunta.
Here for my dreams are made of. I'm over here for the little.
Ito yung isang pool na infinity.
Be the one. If that is what I want. Your days are gone. You've had your little fun. You've had your little fun.
Ito restaurant ko.
Just have little fun. Little.
Pero hindi pa namin na-try dyan kumain. Ito, I think, ano to? Is this a chapel or parang events place nila? Ito yung harap ng Christina. So, kanina nasa likod tayo. So, ayan naman yung harap niya. And, dito naman yung way papuntang rooms. Dito yung gym. So, ito yung oras ng gym nila. Dito yung way papuntang pool. Yung mga direct pool and lobby.
I'll make your dreams come true. If that is what I want to do with you.
Diyan kami naligo kahapon kasi maliliyam. Diyan kami bumili ng drinks kahapon and yun naman yung naging room namin. So, yun yung mga direct pool. Dito pala may mga jacuzzi. 3 ata yung jacuzzi dyan. Hindi na namin tinry.
I was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that
And dyan na yung way papuntang lobby.
left alone once more. If you hadn't been so patient, you'd be easy to.
Hi, so nag-avail pala kami ng airport transfer sa Henan. Thank you. Thank you po. Let's go home na. Nag-avail pala kami ng airport transfer. So, itong van nila is 200 per head. Free pa si Lucas. Going home na. So, si Lucas is, since 2 years old pa lang siya, free pa siya sa airport transfer. Yeah, kiss. How about kiss? Kiss, mommy. So, pag naka-premium flex ka, mabilis ka sa pila. Makapag-check-in na kami. Pupunta na tayo. Dito nga ba yun? Here!
Pineapple for boarding, pineapple for boarding airless. Be reminded that there is a lot of
Kaya naman padala kay mami ko.
feeling there's no question anymore. I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours. Anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours. Now we're singing.
Good job! You're so great!
Later na, you should sit down, okay? Okay, bye-bye na. Bye-bye po.
I was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that it couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. You got underneath the surface and you shattered every wall, and I know I got